What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Tukes, and today, actually it's our second time doing this because Paya didn't press the record button, but it's all good. We got carbon fiber mirrors in today, and we got the new wheels, which I have been super excited and I've been waiting for a long time to put these on the car. But I'm gonna show you guys what the new wheels look like. We'll go through the specs and what color I'm gonna be painting the wheels too. So we're gonna jump into the sequence now, and then after that, we're gonna put the mirrors on and show you the wheels after. Alright guys, so the car is all fresh and clean. Take a look at that sexy thing. Look at that. That color is fire, right?
Fire.
Alright, so we're gonna take a look at the mirrors the way they are now. I feel like it's gonna pop a lot more with the mirrors because these are kind of flat, and I kind of want to add some carbon fiber accents to the car. So this is gonna be the first thing that we add. Let's take a look over here. So basically, it's just this section that comes off of the car. Just pop the mirror off. 3 little clips in there that we take out, and then this just pops right out. This is actually the first thing I'm doing cosmetically to the car myself. Usually everything on this car has been done by a shop, but I figured simple things like this I could just do myself. So there's a couple of different companies that make these carbon fiber mirrors. I think on the forums, this company, a90 Supra, actually had them in stock. They were about $250, I think it was. Usually all the carbon fiber accents for the car are around the same price. They're $250 to $300, depending on what it is. If it's like a diffuser or a engine cover, those usually range from like $1,000 and up. Woo! Which way does this go though? There it goes. This is actually the driver's side. Yes, this is the driver's side. So the points go in. So the big thing with these mirrors is actually that when you buy a Supra and it's stock and you don't have anything done to it, you can't drive with the windows down past, I think it's like 45 miles per hour. Then you get that like weird wind buffeting noise. It's like if you have a 4-door car and you put the back window down and you just get like that wind slap in the car. These actually, apparently they do help because of the curve in here. So it kind of diverts the wind out instead of coming into the car. There's also another fix, which we can take a look at right here. A lot of people are putting a piece over here that they make carbon fiber, and it actually sticks like out a little bit. So it actually diverts the wind, but I actually like this better. It's more stylized and it just looks clean. So basically what I gotta do is get this mirror out, and the pry tool is like a straight piece with like a hook on it, and you just pry it out. All right, so we didn't have a pry tool, so we have to use this little wrench. I don't recommend using this because it is kind of hard. What you want to do is you just want to pry from the inside out and keep pushing and pushing, and then go out towards the outside of the mirror, and then you want to push it, like grab it under and then just pop it out. We have the mirror out now. Basically, you can get, if you can kind of see it, there's 3 clips in here. There's one up here, probably can't see it if the camera focuses, sorry, but 1, 2, and 3. And basically what you want to do is you want to squeeze these little clips right here, but there's like a piece in between it, so you have to get that out the way. So with the needle nose pliers, I'm gonna try to like get under that and then squeeze the tips, and then while that's happening, I have to pull this out. So we'll see how it goes. It shouldn't be too bad. Voila! These are basically what you want to squeeze with the pliers. You want to get better pliers than this, not these dirty ones, but you want to squeeze these in and push towards out. But you don't want to push, you don't want to force one more than the other. You just want to get it out the socket a little bit so it sits, and then pry on the top, and then just work your way around, and then it just pops right out. What? You see that? So far it's been about what, 15-20 minutes since we did that first one?
Yep.
Woo! Fire! We can roll the windows down. The moment of truth! Which way should we go? Left or right? All right, ready? The moment of truth, guys. Go. I think we're good.
You're supposed to hear it at 65, right?
45, 50.
45?
Yeah.
You know, that's a dope rap.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
I had a fever, it got total.
Nice, bro.
All right, bro. Everywhere you go, people will always, if you have the window down especially, people will always try to talk to you. Hopefully these things don't fly off. Hopefully I put them on right. But all right, let's head back to the house and we're gonna reveal the wheels. All right, guys. So here it is. We have the Vossen HF5 in a 19 stagger setup. We actually did a 9.5 in the front and 10.5 in the rear, with an offset of 30 in the rear and 22 in the front. These are actually called anthracite. The color is super fire. I actually like the color. Actually, it's not really too glossy. I've been debating on changing the color, which I think 100% I'm gonna do. Shout out to Vossen and my boy Zumi for hooking me up with these. These wheels are the deep concave. When you get these wheels from Vossen, they give you a couple of different options for your setup. And these are actually the deepest concave they make, I believe, in the HF5. When the Supra first came out, they actually had a lot of HF5s on them, but I'm starting to see that people aren't really rocking with the HF5s anymore. I see that some people start with these rims and they go on to like TE37s, which are classic, and a lot of people are doing TE37s on the Supras, which TE37 is obviously a classic wheel. A lot of people do that. It's a great wheel. It's never gonna go out of style, but I just don't wanna be like everybody else, and just wanna do something different. Don't know what the ideal tire setup for these rims are. I'm gonna keep the stock tires because these tires are actually pretty decent. That color's type 5. I mean, I know the color's dope. Huge shout out to Vossen and Zumi again. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one. We're also gonna be lowering the car as well, which I've been waiting for so long. This car needs to have suspension on it. I don't care what anybody says. The stock ride height is not it. If you guys have any questions on the installation of the mirrors or anything about the Supra, make sure you DM me on Instagram, or you can drop a comment below. If you have any questions, I always answer all my DMs and all of the comments on the YouTube channel. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.